Phew! This week, y'all have worked so hard on number lines. So today's activity is pretty simple. Today, I just want you to go back and practice how to count by ones on a number line just to make sure that we know how to do that. And we're going to keep working on those harder tasks all year. So you will have plenty of time to practice. Your activity today looks like this. It's called Report to Earth with some little alien theme. And don't forget, you have to click on every slide at the side. So you got to go all the way down to number 9. And I'm going to click on number 2 for an example. All you're doing is counting by ones. So if I click on my hand and I type on each box, I can type in. So if my first number is 45, my next one's 46 and 47. Oh, I deleted my space. And then you're going to keep going on the other side, and these should be 45, 44, and this one is 43. And if your number lines look like this and you do all of these number lines, then you are good to go. Don't forget, when you go forward, you're counting forward by 1. And if you go backwards, you're counting backwards by 1. Good luck today, friends.